Hey there, fellow literature enthusiasts. Welcome to our brand new literary channel where we dive deep into the world of words, imagination, and stories that have stood the test of time. Before we embark on this exciting adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our literary explorations. Alright, let's get started. Question 1. She advised that I, curtail expenditure. Option A, should. Option B, shall. Option C, should have. The correct answer here is option, should. Question 2. You, him that gambling would ruin him. Option A, should warn. Option B, should have warned. Option C, must warn. The correct answer here is option B, should have warned. Question 3. We enjoyed the movie, you, there. Option A, should have been. Option B, can be. Option C, should be. The correct answer here is option, should have been. Question 4. You work hard, you will pass. Option A. Would. Option B. Will. Option C, should. The correct answer here is option C, should. Question 5. I told him that I, leave next day. Option A, should. Option B, should have. Option C, could. The correct answer here is option, should. Question 6. Make haste lest you, late. Option A, should get. Option B, should not get. Option C, may not got. The correct answer here is option, should get. Question 7. She, work hard if she wants to top the merit list. Option A, must have. Option B, must. Option C, must not. The correct answer here is option B, must. Question 8. She, alone as it was raining heavily. Option A, must not leave. Option B, must not have left. Option C, should not leave. The correct answer here is option B, must not have left. Question 9. Principal to a student, you, with bad girls. Option A, must not mix. Option B, cannot mix. Option C, may not mix. The correct answer here is option A, must not mix. Question 10. He went there so that he, borrow money. Option A, may. Option B, can. Option C, might. The correct answer here is option C, might. And there you have it, folks. How many of those literary brain teasers did you conquer? If you're feeling confident, drop your score in the comments below. Did you ace them all, or did a few slip through the cracks? Don't worry, we're all here to learn and have a good time. If you enjoyed testing your literary wits with us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow bookworms. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating discussions about literature's finest. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep turning those pages and exploring the endless worlds that literature has to offer. Stay curious.